Hi guys, it's me again, Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy, and welcome to my channel. Come and follow me as I show you step by step kung paano gumawa ng special embutido ni Teresita. Welcome to my channel! Today, may bago na naman akong ibabahagi sa inyo na sigurado akong magugustuhan ng bawat miyembro ng iyong pamilya. Kasi ito ang aking kinalakihan. Recipe ng aking nanay, Embutido! Thank you to all of you who have believed in me and who have subscribed my channel. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please support me by subscribing my channel. And please do not forget to click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo para sa mga upcoming videos. Alright, shout out to all the people who have requested this video and for all my subscribers who have requested to shout their name out. A special mention to my mom, Teresita Tivar. This is her recipe. Marilo Tivar Bultron and my brother Noy Tivar of Tivar's Travel and Tours. Yen Bultron, Jana Abarquez, they are in Karkar. And of course, sister Margarita, Ana Margarita of Milaca, and her mom Imelda Batarina. Thank you so much, sis, for requesting this video. And my pamangkin in Lubo, Batangas, AJ San Diego, please subscribe to his channel. My good friend and a brother from Qatar, Mark Alcantara, thank you so much, bro. Special shout out to my former housemates and my kumare and kumpare in Dubai, RS and Leggy Sabido, Milo and Mads Orense, of course, Bobby and Hilda Manimtim, and of course my very good friend Kent Bradman. Thank you so much, guys, and this embutido will remind you of a very special event that happened a long time ago. See you guys! Yan ang mga kumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating special embutido. Alright, unang-una kailangan natin ng giniling. Ayan, giniling na baboy. Ayan, minced pork. And then kailangan rin natin ng sibuyas, bawang, yung ating chopped na carrots. And then kailangan rin natin ng Pickle Relish. Ayan. And then of course, yung ating paminta, yung ating black ground pepper, at saka yung ating salt. And then, kailangan rin natin ng 10 pieces of egg yolk. And then, kailangan rin natin ng, ito yung pinaka-iba sa lahat. Kasi ito, ang ginagamit namin ay Sky Flakes. Ayan. Dinurog na Sky Flakes. Ayan. Sky Flakes Biscuit Crumbs. Ayan, and then para sa ating filling, kailangan natin ng this is sausage, chicken sausage, but you could use Vienna sausage, ayan, in can, pwede yan. And then, kailangan natin ng sliced na cheese, and then yung ating boiled na egg. Ayan, and then we have extra, like itong cheese ay for grated cheese para ipanghalo natin later. And then, in case if needed pa, ang ating kailangan natin ng evaporated milk. Yan po ang makumpletong sangkap na ating gagamitin para sa ating special embutido. Right, stay tuned para sa actual procedure. Sa ating mixing bowl, ilagay natin yung ating giniling. Yan. Giniling na baboy. Ang sibuyas. Natin yung ating bawang, yung ating chopped na carrots. Looks good. And then this time, ilagay na natin yung ating pickle relish. Yeah. And then just to add the salt, and then yung paminta. Right. Just mix it. Okay, then after this, we just set it aside, and then we just proceed with the next naman natin yung ating egg yolk and yung breadcrumbs. Alright, mixing bowl, we just put in our egg yolk. We're about 10 pieces of egg yolk. Just mix it. Okay, we just mix our breadcrumbs. This is Flakes Biscuit Crumbs. Okay? But normally, ang ginagamit nito ay breadcrumbs. Yan. Pwede naman kayong gamit din ng breadcrumbs. But since I'm following the original recipe, so I just use the Flakes. Bango. The evaporated milk comes in. Okay? Bit by bit, like about 2 tablespoons. Kaya natin dagdagan ng ating evaporated milk. So another tablespoon, so we have about 3 tablespoons evaporated milk. Okay, now this time, ihalo na natin siya doon sa ating pork, minced pork na mixture. Okay? Okay, we just slowly incorporate this one. Flakes Crumbs, may magpadagdag din ng linamnam at the same time, enhancer din siya. So, makapa-enhance that. Ang aking Flakes is about 7 pieces, 7 packs. No, it's about 6 packs, sorry. Okay, just continue mixing. Looks good and smells good. Alright, after a few minutes of mixing, ayan na pong itsura ng ating embutido mix. Ayan. And then, dadagdag ko lang yung ating shredded cheese. Ayan. Okay, just shred some cheese. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but to me, ito yung isa sa mga mas lalo pang sumarap ang inyong embutido. Okay? Yung iba naman naglalagay din ng raisins or pasas sa aming mga Bisaya. Naglalagay din ng raisins. Ako kasi hindi kasi ako mahilig sa raisins, so hindi ako naglagay ng raisins. But anyway, that's optional. You can add on. Yung iba naman naglalagay din ng red bell pepper. But since my wife doesn't like it, so hindi ko siya nilagyan. Right? So, again, you just mix it again. And then, babalutin na natin siya right after this. Okay. Yan. So, yan. Ready for balot na siya. Okay. Now, we are on the second to the last part ng ating procedure ng ating embutido. So, ating pagbabalot. Okay. Ito yung ating filling. Ito yung ating sausage. Ang ating egg. Boiled egg. And then yung ating cheese. Alright. So, and then, nagdagdag lang ako ng margarine. Ayan. That is just to add grease sa ating embutido. Kasi, pagka hindi natin siya lalagyan, masyado siyang didikit sa ating foil. Okay? Foil, depende kasi yan sa dami ng paglagay ninyo. Okay? So, you just spread it. Kahit half lang ng foil na part, just spread the margarine, butter, or whatever that you have. So, it will be good na i-spread nyo lang. And then, just use half a cup of yung ating meat mixture. Okay? Half a cup. Okay? I just use my hand. Just press it like that and spread it. Right. Spread it and then we just put in our fillings. Okay. This one is our yung ating sausage. Right. Just put it in the middle. And then yung ating egg. Right. I just put it like that. And then yung ating cheese. Alright. I am too generous with my fillings because gamit lang ito sa aming bahay. So, I want this to be ang makakain nito sa bahay, they will be very, very happy. Okay, just fold it. Fold it tightly and then roll it. Okay. To the side, press on the side, and then roll it. Okay. Just roll it and then again press on the side and then lock it in by twisting it. Yeah. Okay. Normally itong extra na foil, I just fold it like that. Ayan. Para paglagay nyo sa inyong steamer, hindi siya masyadong sagabal. Ayan. Okay. Yan na po yung ating embutido roll. So that's ready for steaming. Okay. Then we'll do the rest. Okay, yan po ang nagawa natin na napalot na natin ang ating embutido. We have, sa 1 kilo nakagawa tayo ng 12 ayan, large embutido, ayan, malalaki. Okay, this is ready for steaming. I-steam lang natin siya for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Alright, okay. Right, we slowly arrange our embutido sa ating steamer. Okay.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you get something and learn something out from this video guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Again guys, this is Chris, your Kuya Pandisoy. Thank you so much, and always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Hope to see you again next time in my next video. See ya. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.